Namaste dosto. Welcome back to my YouTube channel called Everyday Manufacturing. So today we'll be discussing on a topic called Chapter 5, which is import of medical devices, but within that we'll be discussing on a specific relevant topic, which is the inspection of overseas manufacturing site as per MDR 2017, which is one of the import license processes. So if you are applying for an import license to bring the medical devices into Indian territory, you should know that the CLA can inspect the overseas manufacturing site. So in this video, let's understand when inspection happens, who pay for them, and why are they so important. So when does this inspection happens? So once an application under Rule 34 is submitted, the CLA may order an inspection of this overseas manufacturing site. Maybe this inspection will ensure that the manufacturing process meets the safety and the quality standards of the MDR 2017. I hope this is clear, my friends. So the question comes, who will conduct the inspection? The inspection can be carried out directly by the CLA or by another delegated person or a body authorized for the purposes. This delegation will help to cover the global site efficiently. Right? So, ये तो clear हो गया कि CLA is going to conduct the audit, but the question comes again that who is going to bear the fee and the applicant responsibility? The key point to remember that the applicant is liable to pay for the inspections. The fee specified under second schedule and covers all the expenses related to the visit of officials to the overseas sites. So this is very interesting. So it will bear the cost of, my friends, whenever you are going to file the import license, please be very careful with all the documents which you are going to upload it against the checklist. Be very careful. Don't give any chance for the Indian CDSCO to keep eye on you in terms of any non-compliance. Why is this so important? So this inspection will ensure that the devices imported into India met the global manufacturing standard, protect the patient's safety, and build the regulatory confidence on the applicant. Without compliance, the license may be delayed or denied. So what do you learn in today's lecture? So just to summarize, the CLA may inspect the overseas manufacturing site after the application. Inspection can be done by CLA or a body appointed by the CLA. The applicant need to bear all the costs related to the audit of the manufacturing site. Right? So if you found this breakdown useful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more medical device regulatory updates. Thanks for watching my YouTube channel. Till then, take care. Bye bye.